Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos on the channel. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Zoom virtual background in Canva. So guys, uh, Zoom virtual background has a demand on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. You can easily create in 3 to 2 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes in Canva and sell this on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So let's go to fiverr.com. If you do not know about fiverr.com, I will tell you fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can earn money by selling your services. So let's go to fiverr.com. So we are on fiverr.com. Here I search Zoom virtual background and it shows me 445 results, mean 445 services available. So let's check. I will design a custom Zoom virtual background with your logo. Okay, 762 orders, 37 orders, 1k plus orders, 322 orders, reviews. These are reviews and reviews are half less than the actual orders. So let's analyze his 1k plus reviews gig. So in basic package he charged two background with your logo and he charged $5. In $15 6 backgrounds with logo. In premium 25 backgrounds with logo. So oh sorry, 10 backgrounds with logo. So if you are thinking that we it takes a lot of time in making 10 backgrounds, so I will tell you it's just a matter of 2 minutes to create one background, so maybe less. So this is not a big deal. So let's analyze his gig. You can analyze his gig and take an idea. Do not copy 100% of the text, just get an idea and make your gig according to it. So I think it's enough for the Fiverr part, but also you can analyze different other gigs so you can have an idea. So let's go to canva.com and here I can teach you how you can create Zoom virtual backgrounds. So I cross this one. This is the canva.com home and here I write like Zoom video backgrounds and it shows us different templates. We can easily customize any of the template and sell this to our clients. Zoom, sorry, I think I made a mistake. Zoom virtual, yeah, Zoom virtual background. It is loading, wait for some seconds. Yeah, create a blank Zoom virtual background. So it is loading, wait for some seconds. So I want to make just simple background, so I select here minimal, minimalistic. Yeah, that's good. I choose this one and here I write, you know, company name, website name, and my profession and my name. So the company name is Henry and Co at the rate of Henry dot Henry and Co. After that, business, real estate, and name Henry John. And if you want to change the, you know, color scheme, you can also change it by clicking this, but I think it's good color scheme. So as you see, we easily create a background in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.